What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to another episode of Dye vs. Dye, the series I do every Wednesday, comparing similar colored shades to each other. Today, we are comparing Xmondo Slate Gray, Manic Panic Alien Gray, and Arctic Fox Sterling. Now, I've opened these and used these all on my hair. I mixed them all equal parts, and what I noticed is these two look really similar, and this looks like slightly lighter, like not as blue or purple tone. So I'm guessing this is going to come out a little bit different. So what we're going to be doing is swatching all these shades on the hair you see behind it and comparing them to each other. And then I will be doing a wash test where I will be washing the hair 5 times in cold water with paraben-free shampoo and then 5 more times in hot water and dandruff shampoo. We'll just be comparing the results of those washings. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, I've got every section saturated as well as I could. I do want to note, just real quick, that the Manic Panic was extremely watery and I felt like I couldn't possibly saturate it enough and was using a lot of product just to try to get it to where I was remotely satisfied with it. And even still, it doesn't really seem like it's quite enough. It feels like there's always going to be blonde poking through and I can't do much about it. The Xmondo is really thick, so while it does take a little finessing to get it in there, you can fully saturate it, and I feel confident that this is like completely filled in. Like there's not going to be any patchiness here. This, I don't know, just because of how watery the consistency is. I'm going to let this sit for about an hour, rinse in cold water, and we're going to see how it looks after that. Okay, here's how we're looking after rinsing in cold water. A lot of patchiness going on. And before anyone even suggests it, I really take my time trying to saturate these as well as possible, and I rinse this with cold water. I did not use shampoo or anything else whatsoever. Gray is just a tricky color. Also, these extensions come in a very light blonde. Silver does best on hair that's as white as possible. So just something to keep in mind. This is what it looks like. My guess is that by the end of this, these are going to be quite faded. I'm going to go ahead and wash these 5 times in cold water and paraben-free shampoo, and I will be back with the results of that. Here it is after 5 washes in cold water, and do you see this? I know you see this. This is straight up green. This is the Arctic Fox Sterling, and it must be blue based, but I never would have guessed that it would fade to an actual green. It's like pastel green now. This middle one, which is the Manic Panic Alien Gray, has faded to a not so terrible looking, almost lavender color. It's a lot more appealing than this green, that's for sure. And the Slate Gray by Xmondo has not faded a whole lot, but it's looking all right. I don't hate it. It's definitely lasting longer than the others so far, which makes sense. It is the darker color after all. So I'm going to go ahead, wash these 5 more times in hot water and dandruff shampoo and show you the result of that. Okay, here we are after 5 washes in hot water and dandruff shampoo, making for a total of 10 washes. And yeah, the Xmondo and the Manic Panic have faded just a little bit more than they were before. Really not too significantly, surprisingly. The Arctic Fox Sterling has not really faded. If anything, it's turned even more green. Which, I mean, if you like this color green, then cool, but I would not want this stuck in my head. In fact, I'd be pretty pissed off. And imagine like dyeing your hair silver with that, and then it fades to this green very quickly, and then it just won't fade anymore. Like you're just stuck with this green, or having to dye over it, or use bleach to remove. I don't even know if that would work. But yeah, this is the final results. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.